Clenching your teeth at night? You might be experiencing bruxism. This condition, often linked to stress, could lead to tooth damage and jaw disorders. Notice a dull headache or sore jaw when you wake up. That's a common sign. Increased sensitivity or tooth pain could also indicate bruxism. Don't panic though, there are solutions. Dentists can provide custom-made mouthguards to protect your teeth during sleep. Relaxation exercises and stress management can also help. Remember, early detection is the key. So if you suspect bruxism, consult your dentist right away. Your teeth will thank you. Oh, and while you're here, why not subscribe to Mind Musings for more insightful bits? This has been your 60 seconds of wisdom with Mind Musings. Loop it, share it, live it.